Hello everyone, on your loose hair, grab a strip of your hair to the right and start braiding it in 3 sections, including behind the ear and forming the right angle triangle at the bottom right part. Then with the remaining part of your hair, continue the braiding in a very thick manner using 3 sections. Then at the tips, secure it with a rubber band and fold it all over and have it on the right side. Secure it with a little black pin. Then use your hair clips of your choice, but choose something smaller and at the same time cute. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle and make twisted patterns. Then using a hair clutcher, clutch it on the rubber band. The remaining section of your hair, tie a rubber band in the top middle and the bottom middle part. Stretch the middle one a little bit and attach the hair clip on that. Then create some volume and bend the tips a bit further. Attach another rubber band and using a hairpin, secure that into the place. Have a bunch and take a long pin and swirl the ponytail on it and make it go to the right and adjust the hair bun a bit and carefully insert the pin into that and secure it in place. Grab the hair at the sides and tie it in the middle and make the twisted pattern and have 2 rubber bands at the top and bottom and stretch the middle one and stuff the tips inside and have it move top, then secure it with a little hairpin, then of course the beautiful hair clip of your choice. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle and move it into a twisted pattern and using 2 fingers divide the hair into 3 sections and start braiding it. Now pinch the braid sides a little bit, creating some volume. Then move the braid entirely from clockwise and make it go into the right loop and again continue the swirl and stuff the tip inside the bun we created. Secure the tip using a big hairpin and of course there comes your beautiful hair clip of your choice. Grab your ponytail and make a lump of hair, then secure that lump with the rubber band. Then make one more rubber band, have another loop and drop it inside. Then make that loop go on the top and cover the entire lump. Then make it swirl over around and secure the tip with the rubber band and bend it over. Then use a hair clutcher of your choice. Then again go for different colors depending on your wardrobe. On your loose hair, have a hair clip in the middle and grab the sides of your hair and start braiding it up to that clip, then attach it to the middle clutch and have the left section of your hair twist a bit and attach it to the left clutch. Do the same on the right clutch. Now you have a beautiful hairstyle. Insert the hair loop on the bottom of the ponytail and bring the whole ponytail to the top. Comb it a bit and reset its position and have a rubber band in the middle part and bend it over, stretch it out and have a hair clip attached from bottom to top, then insert it horizontally, then stretch them having a volume. Grab your bunch on top and move the rubber band a bit further and attach a hair clip from bottom to top and move it to the opposite direction, securing it. Comb the remaining part of your hair, bend it over and have a rubber band and have another hair clip securing that in the first one. Move your ponytail 180 degrees to the right, then have a rubber band a bit upwards, then have a hair clip, then insert it from right to left, securing it. Then bend the remaining part of your hair, use a rubber band and have a hairpin secure its place. Insert a loop from top to bottom on your ponytail and bring the whole tail to the bottom. Then comb it a bit, attach a rubber band in the middle part and move the tail to the top, securing that with a large hair clutcher. Comb your loose hair a bit and using your index finger make a swirl and form a bun, then stuff the tips inside, then stretch the hair and cover the hole. Then using a hair clip, secure it. Thank you guys for watching this video.